Right, so the plan today is I'll go back to that weird green lane thing I found in Navestock. Yeah, just in a shit mood today. Maybe this will help. Ooh, VTR. Ooh. I've got my nice gloves on. I hope they don't get wrecked today. I'm taking a huge risk. I've got a shit ton of luggage, massive license plate and an L plate. I really hope none of them scrape today. Famous last words, I hope none of them scrape today. Wow. I've just jinxed it, haven't I? But I mean, it's a 125. As long as I don't go crazy, I should be fine, right? Problem is, to get this thing up in the air, you have to go crazy. Oh, it's moving though. I wish I had a 7th gear, man. That would just help so much in piloting. Because at 40, this thing is absolutely happy. But as soon as you get to 50, it starts to get really violent. I say really violent, it's better than most 25 speedos. Jeez, that is a turn and a half, isn't it? My god, that's terrifying. But 1 bar of fuel. Maybe I really should fill up. Ah, this thing doesn't run out. Is it? Maybe I should fill up. I'm getting a bit anxious. I really need a petrol station. Fuck. I should have gone to that other one, shouldn't I? I didn't realise I'd get down to 1 bar this quickly. Maybe this was a massive mistake. I don't see any petrol stations here. God, imagine you own a 600 around here and you're running out of fuel. What do you do? Because I ain't seen no petrol station whatsoever. Even like Epping Forest has petrol. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Look at the hill. Yeah, I remember this. That's where it was with the turn. Dude, look at these. These would be sick cycling hills. I'm not even joking. Like, these would be amazing for cyclists. Cyclists. Motorcycle MOTs that way. They're normally. Oh, look at this road. This is something out of Richard Burns Rally or something. But I know this thing has like a huge amount of range. It's just that I'd rather not have to worry at all. I might end up having to call if I can recover it this way, because I don't see any. And not to mention that out here, they can charge whatever they want for petrol. This part, I've never seen this part of the countryside before. Despite the fact that I live near here. Wait, this seems familiar, doesn't it? I'm in familiar territory now, aren't I? Oh, this seems kind of familiar. I do remember there being a canopy. I don't remember there being cyclists down that road though. See, this is the problem that I'm having, right? It could be a mission to get back. Looking back in the footage, I'm probably going to be facepalming again, saying there were so much places to stop. Oh, wait, that's a good place. Oh, that was sick. That was sick. Oh, I didn't even leave the trail. Oh. Yo, this is actually in the middle of nowhere. But these are coming up as roads on the map. So maybe they're byway open to all traffic. Let's see what the sign says. It says private road, that way to lawns. I don't see any signs. That's an address. That's private too. This has to be private as well. I can't see why it wouldn't be. Alright, okay. On my way to the petrol station. Yeah, I think this is probably where the wheelie spot is. But I don't think it's a good wheelie spot because now people are driving through it. When I went, it was a school day, so I don't think anyone was driving. People drive bare fast through here. I don't know how they do it. Are they expecting no one to be here or some shit? Well, I mean, I was expecting no one to be here as well because I was expecting to do wheelies. Boys haul barns. Oh fuck, 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 don't get so close to the edge, man. Jesus, is that fucking Jeremy Clarkson? Yeah, I wouldn't drive down here that fast, man. Oh, it looks so cool. If these weren't so fucking dangerous, I'd be loving this so much. Because this is exactly what I love. I just love seeing trees everywhere. But they're so fucking dangerous. Wait, is that a car park? Oh no. Yeah, why would there be a car park in the middle of nowhere? I think. So the plan is fill up a petrol, come back, try and find a quieter area, and then bust a few wheelies, hopefully. The problem is people live down here. Oh fucking hell. I don't remember it being this populated the last time I went here. They drive so fast down here, what the hell? How are you not scared of crashing into someone head on in a car? In a bike I can always avoid you, but still. That looks like a suspiciously placed council car, innit? Aha! He nodded back! A very, very sheepishly nodded back. See, the cruiser riders out here are nicer than the ones where I live. Oh wait, what? Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Where's the... What? What? Your information is out of date, mate. That is not a petrol stop. Yo, hold the phone. Give me a sec. That wasn't a petrol station. What? That fucking... That wasn't a petrol stop. I don't know where it was telling me to go because there's no petrol station there. They were going B-road hunting. I'm going petrol hunting. Okay, alright. Sorry. Oh, it looks like the tarmac is boiling! Look at that tarmac. Ambulance! Ambulance! What if this one turns out to be a lie as well? I don't get why Google Maps would do that, because people need a fucking petrol station. Why are you gonna lie about it? I guess it's one of those things that they do to like trademark maps, right? But see that when some people are relying on a service that you're providing, that quad, that's a fucking quad, ain't it? They're both quads, aren't they? Hey, the quad boys did it! They nodded to me. Thank you, thank you. Please be real. Please tell me the petrol isn't a lie here. Because I need some petrol. There it is. It's real. It's a real station. Good. I need that. I need that. I need that. I need that. Give me that. Give me that. There we go. Okay. It's killing me. No, I swear I was almost empty. What happened? Stiff pump. I never drive faster than I can see. That's why. I wonder why they drive so slowly, because they can't see shit. Hey, you need to put a fucking proper helmet on though, before I give you much more respect than that. These open face boys, they don't have much self-preservation, do they? I wonder where I turned off. I think I turned off here. I'm pretty sure I turned off here, right? Church Road, because I remember saying, oh, that looks cool. That looks like a good place to turn around, right? Ah, it is this road. It's this fucking road, isn't it? Yeah. Except it was completely soaked last time. I'm pretty sure. It's gotta be this place. Yeah, that kid ain't got no plate. No, it won't work. Nah, you need to be way up there. This bike won't wheelie unless you're pinning it. And probably only in first gear. It probably only does it in first gear. I can't see it happening in second. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. I don't feel comfortable doing it otherwise. I don't feel comfortable doing it like full tilt. I am letting go of the clutch as fucking hard as I can, but I don't think it's gonna do it, man. This bike is a little sketchy, and being underpowered to do the wheelie is probably gonna prevent me from getting further progress, I think. No, I'm actually letting go of the fucking clutch and it's not doing it. I don't see what the fuck I'm supposed to do then. Maybe 1 mile an hour? Maybe? Maybe it has to have an empty fuel tank? I've seen people wheelie these before. But I think it probably takes way too much effort to do so. Am I right? I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it's like one of the hardest bikes to do it on. Look at this burnout strip. Burnout strip thing. Alright, Jen, alright. You alright? Okay. Jenkins Farm. See, it almost does it then, but then, you know what I mean? Like, I think it needs to be right up there. I didn't even let go of that one quickly. I let go of that really slowly. I only flicked it past the biting point quickly. So I mean, I don't really... What the fuck am I supposed to do? To get this thing up, it's gonna take an accident, I think. Whoa! Fucking hell! It just lost all traction. Oh my god, at the front, it lost every bit of traction. I don't think these roads are designed for cars, man. They're designed for agricultural equipment. Fucking hell, another day's riding ruined because I tried to do something. Why? All I wanted to do was a wheelie and I can't do it. The bike's too shit. I'm too shit. And the roads are too populated. Like, what exactly am I supposed to fucking do?